Forests are home to a variety of wildlife species that are highly dependent on the existence of their ecosystems. Within forests, wildlife find shelter, food, and areas to breed. Wildlife in the forest has a very important role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem and supporting In the forest, wildlife functions as food chain regulators, seed dispersers, and environmental health guardians. These animals are very well adapted to forest conditions, with ever-changing weather. Tropical rainforests are rich in biodiversity and provide habitat for many species, from mammals to birds, reptiles to insects. The tropical rainforest is one of the lungs of the world that holds a lot of beauty in it. Tropical rainforests are home to about 50% of the world's flora and fauna species, including many medicinal plants, rare animal species, and a wide variety of microorganisms. Tall trees, vegetation on the forest floor. Diverse wild animals and colorful birds are symbols of the forest's beauty. The brightly colored exotic birds, an endemic species that inhabit the forest, are a natural beauty that we must enjoy. Birds with bright and vivid plumage, colors, are typical of bird species in tropical rainforest. The melody of the birds' voices here gives a sense of tranquility that everyone needs. Recording wildlife activities and listening to the sounds of pristine forests is one way of enjoying the beauty of planet Earth. Tropical rainforests stretch across the planet in different regions. One of them is Indonesia's Borneo forest, which is home to millions of species of wildlife, some of which are endemic. In this video, we take you on an exploration of one of the world's lungs, the Borneo forest. This is a video of our wildlife documentary, Adventure in the Borneo Forest, one of the most complexly vetted forests in Southeast Asia. We explored the Borneo forest for 1 week to record the beauty of the wildlife in this forest. As a form of our concern for this beautiful nature, here what we found the most were the beautiful wild birds that live in the forest canopy. Rare, bright feathered birds, some of which are endemic to Indonesia. Birds of paradise can also be found here. although their natural habitat is in the Papuan forests, located in eastern Indonesia. Some of these birds live in groups, and some prefer to be separated from their groups, and their habitats often move. The tropical rainforest is structured from mossy lowlands to green highlands, and dense trees and thousands of wildlife. From the largest to the smallest are there. Wildlife is one of the splendors of the forest. For them, the forest is home and a comfortable place to live. The Borneo jungle, which spans across the 3 countries of Indonesia, Malaysia and Brunei, is one of those places you always want to explore. The beauty of its unspoiled flora and fauna should always be maintained and preserved. Borneo is also an important stopover point for migratory birds, making the forest of bird lovers paradise. And the richness of its bird species has piqued the interest of researchers and nature lovers from around the world. To preserve their habitat, this wildlife documentary in the Borneo jungle is for you to get to know the majestic wildlife in the jungles of Southeast Asia. Forests are essential for maintaining ecosystem balance and ensuring the survival of various species, including humans. Therefore, protection of forest habitats is essential to maintain their survival, as well as the sustainability of the ecosystem as a whole. Protecting tropical rainforest. It is critical to the sustainability of life on Earth, and conservation efforts and sustainable forest management policies are necessary to keep these ecosystems in balance. Protection programs, habitat rehabilitation, and law enforcement against poaching are necessary measures to save wildlife in the forests in which they live. We all need to be aware of not destroying the forest and not poaching for the sake of the survival of this natural forest. This beautiful nature is a gift from God. That is very beautiful and soothing. That's why many people want to explore the forest as a relaxation of the mind. Next time we want to do another adventure, to explore and enjoy the natural beauty of other forests. If there are suggestions from you about which forest we should explore, please write in the comments column, guys.
โอเคไป